A different 15 days a week. Dao Su. The last dish in the recipe is worth over 100 million yuans. When making stir-fried loofah with eggs, should you stir-fry the loofah first or the eggs first, and then stir-fry them? The resulting loofahs are bright green and not black. Many people make a mistake in the first step. Peel the loofah, then cut it in half like I did, remove the seeds and pith, and then cut it into small pieces. Add a little salt to water and mix well. The even step is to prevent the loofah from becoming soggy after stir-frying. The key to black oil is to heat it up and then pour in the eggs and stir-fry. Scattered. Remove from the pan and set aside, leaving some oil in the pan. Pour in garlic slices and loofah. Celebrity. Let's be frank, I just want a free one. Little red heart. Thank you so much for the quick translation. Stir fry until just cooked, then add the eggs and seasonings. Add salt, pepper, and a large spoonful of cornstarch slurry. Stir fry evenly, and it's ready to serve. You learned it so easily? Ma! If the second dish is cooked. If there were a ranking, scrambled eggs with onions would definitely be the most appetizing dish on the table today. This is amazing. You'll know how delicious it is once you try it. Cut the onion in half lengthwise, then cut it into large and small pieces. Put a spoonful of light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, and chicken bouillon in a bowl. Add some water to the starch. Stir well and set aside. Heat oil in a pan, pour in 3 eggs, quickly scramble and cook until done. Set aside. Leave the pan. Add garlic and chili peppers to the oil. Add onions and other side dishes. I teach cooking diligently every day, hoping you. Can you give me a free little red heart? I am extremely grateful for your encouragement. Zi Chaoji. After the eggs are cooked through, pour in the prepared egg mixture. Stir-fry the sauce over high heat until evenly mixed, then it's ready to serve. It's simple, convenient, and goes well with rice. I love it. Save this as well. The third one. You stir-fry wood. When you're eating, is there a crackling and popping sound coming from the pot? Yes, you're doing it wrong. Today I'll share the methods and techniques to prevent it from bouncing. Add the wood ear mushrooms to boiling water until they are submerged. Make sure the water is hot enough that the mushrooms are submerged in water, not cold water. It won't happen when frying. After bouncing around for a minute, I scooped it out of the pot and added the fatty meat, a kind gesture. People watch videos while point. This kind of person is sure to make a fortune. Thank you so much for cooking the oil. Add crushed garlic, chopped chili peppers, and dark soy sauce. Stir fry until fragrant, and it's super. Water. Add salt, chicken bouillon, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce to the wood ear mushrooms. Green and red peppers are turned over in a big fire. This simple and delicious stir fry is ready to serve as a side dish. Save this recipe and try it out. The fourth dish involves pouring the eggs onto the tofu. It's so delicious, I wouldn't trade it for braised pork. First, cut the tofu in two. 3 small pieces of beaten eggs are poured over. Heat oil in a pan, then pan fry the tofu until golden brown on all 8 sides. Remove and set aside in a bowl. Add light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and dark soy sauce. Mix salt, half a spoonful of chicken bouillon, cornstarch, and a suitable amount of water until smooth. Heat oil evenly and add garlic. Saute chopped chili peppers until fragrant, then add tofu and stir fry briefly before pouring in the sauce. Simmer over low heat for 3 minutes to make the tofu more tender. Add seasonings, sprinkle with chopped green onions, stir fry until the sauce thickens, and it's ready. But if you cook tofu and eggs this way, your husband will definitely eat 2 more bowls of rice. Fifth dish. Today I'll teach you how to stir fry mushrooms. Mushroom recipes are delicious and simple, with a fresh, fragrant, and tender texture that's even better than meat. Tear the mushrooms you bought into small pieces. Water open. Blanch the mushrooms for 1 minute, then remove and cool. I diligently share new ways to enjoy various delicious foods every day, so please follow me, so that I can find you again if you want to eat it in the future. Heat the oil, add ginger, garlic, and dried chili peppers, and stir fry until fragrant. Add mushrooms, season with salt, chicken bouillon, light soy sauce, and oysters. Stir fry in oil over high heat until fragrant. Add the garlic sprouts and stir fry for another 7 or 8 seconds, then it's ready to serve. Yes or no? It's very simple. Learn it and save it to try it out. Sixth recipe. Don't just use cucumbers in cold dishes anymore, you only need to do one more step. Stir-fried cucumbers are crispier than potato chips. Wash the cucumbers and cut them into even, thin slices. Don't slice it too thinly. Place in a bowl, sprinkle with salt, mix well, marinate for 10 minutes to draw out the moisture, then add water. Wash away excess salt. Squeeze out the water again. This is how you make cucumbers crisp and delicious when stir-fried. Heat oil in a wok, add pork belly and stir-fry until the fat is rendered. Add sliced garlic and a little chili pepper. Add dark soy sauce. To be frank, I just want a free one. A little red heart is very encouraging. After stir-frying until fragrant, add cucumber seasoning, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and chicken bouillon. Turn up the heat and cook quickly. Quickly stir-fry for a few seconds to make it crisp and refreshing. Too fragrant and too sweet. The seventh dish is steamed eggs. Once steamed, they become a classic delicacy. Let's see how it's done. Prepare 10 eggs and steam them until cooked. Then peel off the shell. You absolutely must not use a knife to cut it, otherwise the egg will easily fall apart. Using a wire cut is the correct method. I share simple home-style recipes every day, so please follow me. Next time. Want to eat but don't know how to cook? You can find me anytime. Heat oil to 70% medium heat, add eggs and fry until golden brown on both sides. Remove and set aside. Scallions. Saute the garlic and chili peppers until fragrant, then add the garlic shoots and continue cooking. Saute until fragrant, then add eggs, salt, chicken bouillon, pepper, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Stir-fry the seasonings over high heat until fragrant and flavorful. This method of making golden coin eggs is simple, delicious, and easy to learn. Now that you've mastered it, you've added another signature dish to your repertoire, the 8th one. Many people pick water spinach but don't know how to eat it. You can do it like me. A garlic hollow. Water spinach is crisp, refreshing, and not greasy. First, cut the water spinach into sections, then add a handful of salt. Soak it in clean water for 10 minutes. It can effectively remove insect eggs and dirt from inside. 1. A little red heart is just a gesture for you. It's tiring, but this video can make me happy all day. Could you please click on one? Thank you so much. Heat oil in a pan and add. Minced garlic is a must. Saute minced garlic until fragrant, then add water spinach and season with salt, chicken bouillon, and sugar to enhance the flavor. Stir-fry vegetables like this. It's so simple that it stays bright green and doesn't turn black even after a whole day. Neither adults nor children like to eat it, but tell me you've learned how to make it. The 9th way. Many people like to eat winter melon, but they can't cook it at home. The taste of the store. Actually, that's you. I got the order of operations wrong, so today I'll share my homemade winter melon recipe with you. First, peel the watermelon and cut it into even, thick slices. Don't slice it too thin, otherwise it will easily fall apart when stir-fried and the texture won't be good. Heat the oil in the pan. Stir-fry the winter melon over medium heat until it becomes slightly translucent. The winter melon didn't taste like raw melon. Teaching with care every day. Please order a small dish. Please give me some encouragement. Thank you so much. In a separate pan, add scallions, garlic, and chili peppers. Stir-fry fermented black beans until fragrant, then add chopped winter melon and green peppers, season with salt and chicken bouillon. Stir-fry over high heat with oyster sauce, light soy sauce, and dark soy sauce until evenly mixed. Stir-fry until browned. Again, sprinkle with chopped green onions, stir-fry once more until evenly mixed, and it's ready to serve. This method of stir-frying winter melon results in a tender and flavorful dish. It's especially delicious. Number 10. Road. Crack 2 eggs into the tofu and serve. This is a delicious dish that both adults and children love. I believe 99% of my family members have never seen this dish before. Never eaten an egg before? Use your hard-working left hand. Scramble it to pieces. At this point, add some salt and pepper to give it a base flavor. A red heart is just. It's such a small favor, but it can make me happy all day. You helped me with this video. Click for a free little red heart. Thank you for your hard work. We give good tofu. It was sealed with a layer of plastic wrap, and then I poked 18 small holes in it with my family's heirloom toothpick. To make it easier to cook, put the tofu in the pot after the water boils. Steam for 13 minutes. Now we stir-fry the minced meat, remembering not to stir-fry it for too long. Add minced garlic when you smell the aroma of meat. Stir-fry the millet peppers and fermented bean paste until the red oil is released, then its seasonings. Spoon. After the aroma of the sauce has been fully released, add half a spoonful of light soy sauce, a little dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce, then continue thickening. Adding a little cornstarch slurry will make the dish more tender and smooth. At this point, our tofu is steamed, and we add the stir-fried meat. The drizzle of sauce over the tofu creates a fresh and smooth texture, perfectly complementing the rich and savory flavor. The minced meat is spicy, savory, and has an unforgettable aftertaste. Even 5 bowls of rice wouldn't be enough if you ate it with it. If you're ever unsure what to eat every day, follow me. Let you. Home-style dishes are simpler. 11 dishes are 4 of the dishes we eat on our family's dining table throughout the year. A must-have vegetarian dish for the season, you can eat it 7 or 8 times a week and never get tired of it. I shredded a pound of cabbage costing 35 cents and set aside. I scrambled 4 eggs until cooked. I teach cooking diligently every day, so please follow me so I can easily find the recipe next time I want to try it. I stir-fried scallions and garlic in hot oil. Add shredded cabbage and carrots and stir-fry over high heat until just cooked. Pour in the eggs, season with salt, chicken bouillon, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce, and stir-fry. all evenly. It's ready to serve. This way of making cabbage and egg stir-fry is simply amazing. Appetizing. I'll tell you about the 12th one. Never over-fry eggplant in oil again. That would be both wasteful and troublesome. Home-style dishes have their own recipes. Head. First, cut the eggplant that my sister-in-law gave me into pieces this length. Sprinkle a little salt on the strips and mix well with my hands. Marinate evenly for 10 minutes to draw out the moisture from the eggplant. Rinse thoroughly with clean water to remove excess salt, wash several times, and drain. I have cracked an egg into the bowl and stirred it well. After continuous division, I've shared over 800 detailed home-style recipes, but I still haven't earned your little red heart. Please give this video a free little red heart to support me. Thank you so much. Heat the oil, then add chopped scallions, garlic, chili peppers, and a spoonful of fermented bean paste, and stir-fry until fragrant. Add the eggplant and a spoonful. Add light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sugar to enhance the flavor. Stir-fry for 2 minutes, and finally add. Stir-fry the green peppers evenly. Stir-fry until cooked and then remove from heat. This method of making stir-fried eggplant with green peppers is delicious and goes well with rice. Why don't you make one and try it? The 13th dish is another simple and delicious side dish that goes well with rice. It looks good and tastes good too. First, chop the green beans you picked up on the road into small cubes, heat the oil in a pan, and then stir-fry until just cooked through. Then season with salt, chicken bouillon, and pepper. Stir-fry until well combined and pour over. Simmer 4 beaten eggs over low heat until cooked through. Stir-fry. Add a splash of light soy sauce and stir-fry evenly. Sisters who love green beans must try the 14th dish. This is a vegetable dish my family eats 8 times a week, commonly known as stir-fried river vegetables, cooked vermicelli, and soy sauce. And cooking oil. Stir with chopsticks to prevent sticking. Pour in the beaten eggs while the oil is hot and set aside. Leave the pan empty. Heat oil in a pan, add chopped scallions, garlic, and chili peppers and saute until fragrant. Add bean sprouts and stir-fry over high heat until just cooked. A handful of vermicelli, eggs, chives, seasonings, light soy sauce, and stir-fry with a little oyster sauce, salt, and chicken bouillon over high heat for 7 or 8 seconds, then it's ready to serve. You've learned how. Stir-fried lotus root wasn't enough for 3 bowls of rice. After the 15th step, when you buy this kind of soft tofu, you'll feel like this method makes the meat incredibly fragrant, tender, and flavorful, and it's also very simple to make. First, cut the soft tofu into thick slices. Heat oil in a pan, then pan-fry the sliced tofu on one side over low heat until lightly golden brown. Season to taste. Add salt, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, chili powder, and a little water. Simmer until flavorful. Reduce the sauce over high heat, then add minced garlic and chopped green peppers. Add a little cornstarch slurry and stir well. It will be fresh, fragrant, tender, and smooth. Follow me for more delicious and satisfying home-cooked meals.